If you want to see how an outfit looks on people with your size and body shape, you can do so in a number of ways. Let's start on the home page with the suggested outfit of the day. This is outfit 208A. When you tap the See More button on the bottom left of the outfit card, it takes you to the Outfits page. To see this outfit styled by other Frump Fighters members, make sure that you have the community filter selected at the bottom. This will show you the member uploaded images that have been shared publicly for outfit 208A. To view images that align with your specific body shape, navigate to the filters along the left-hand side of the page. If you are on your phone, you will need to tap to expand the filters. Let's scroll down to the body type filter and tap to expand. Let's select the shape we want to see. We'll tap curvy/hourglass. This will show you all of the examples for this outfit where the member has defined their body shape as curvy/hourglass. If you'd like to see examples with more than one body type, you can make additional selections. When we tap Pair, we see more options show up below. Let's say you'd also like to see inspiration for an outfit in your size. You can also filter by size under the size filter. Let's select medium tops. We see the outfits are further filtered down to those who have a curvy hourglass or pear shape and are a size medium in tops. You may notice that when you put certain filters in place, let's clear these filters and tap Caret, that you don't see examples of an outfit. This may be because you're viewing an older edition of the outfit or users have not uploaded any publicly shared photos yet. We encourage you to upload and share a photo of yourself wearing outfits to help build the database with examples and provide inspiration to other members. You can also view outfits in this way from the calendar page. Let's navigate to the calendar and we'll tap on the outfit for June 8th. Let's tap See More and it takes us back to the Outfits page. Again, we have the community filter selected at the bottom. Next, we'll select the body type filter from the left. Let's expand and tap Apple, and the outfit options are filtered down. Let's clear all of our filters and look at one more way this feature comes in handy. You might be looking for inspiration around a specific piece. Let's say it's the print shorts. Here on the Outfits page, with the community filter selected on the bottom, we'll use the Outfit Pieces filter to search for outfits using the print shorts. Once the results load, we can scroll down and select Pair from the Body Shape filter to see those outfits. Or you can select the size you'd like to see. Let's select size 12, and here are those results. While you can have multiple filters in place, we'll add back the Pair filter. The results can be limited. To see more outfits, it can be helpful to have as few filters in place as possible. To view, update, or add your body type and size to your interactive profile, navigate to the menu in the top right and select Account and Profile, and scroll down to Upload Defaults. Here, you can choose your body type, top size, and bottom size. This is where you can also select your style words, color season, and height. If you've made any updates, tap Save Changes. And that is how to see how an outfit looks on people with your size and body shape.